Your first Illustrator assignment is to create this little robot. Then you're going to make him a friend. For now, I'm going to grab him. We're going to copy. Go to Illustrator. I'm going to say File, New in Illustrator. Usually this will be set to Print. And then I just like to change the units to inches because that makes more sense. And I want to do this sideways style. Okie doke. I'm going to go Control V to paste it into here. Use my selection tool to move it around. I'm also going to zoom in. So I use Alt and the scroll wheel to zoom in. I could use these little sliders down here to move around, but those are annoying because you never quite know you never know where you are. I like to use spacebar and then just click and drag to move around. So once I get my little template thing here situated, then I'm going to come over here to the rectangle tool, click on the rectangle tool. I want default colors in here, so I click this little button for default colors. And I'm just going to make a rectangle. Actually, I'm going to make a square by holding Shift. That's going to make sure it's a square, no matter how big or small I make it. So there's his body. Notice this stroke is not thick enough. The stroke is the outside edge. The inside is white, the outside is black in this case, just like it shows here, inside, outside. So I'm going to go over to my stroke and increase it to 4 points. That looks mucho bettero. Then I'm going to make a rectangle for this, make a rectangle for this, make one for the head, make a more different one for the ears. I know you're thinking, hey, those aren't lined up. That doesn't make any sense. What are you doing? Just go with it, you know? I'm going to be able to come back and make all sorts of changes to this. So no worries. I'm going to use my selection tool, hold the Alt button on my keyboard. Notice how it changes to a copy symbol, and then I can copy it to the side. I want to copy this down. I want to make these parts of the arms using this same piece here. So make it about that size. I can copy it. Also, if I get close to the corner, notice it changes to a rotate tool. Hold Shift, and it rotates it by increments of 45 degrees. So I can grab that one, stick it here, grab this one, rotate it, holding Shift, and stick it here. So it looks like I'm all done with my rectangles. Oh, JK, I have one more. I've got this rectangle right here. Boom. So we're getting there. Notice the order isn't good. It's not lined up. That's fine. I'm going to go to the ellipse tool. Same thing where I click and drag and hold Shift to make it the right size. I'm going to place it where it needs to go. There-ish. Hold Alt, drag this over. There, that looks great. Line that one up a little bit better. Okay, then I'm also going to Alt drag this up for the eyeballs. Use the same one on the eyeballs. And then I'll also Alt drag it for these things. I'll make them a little bit smaller. And I want the inside of this to be black, so I can just change that to black. Hold Alt. That's looking good. I might make those a little smaller. So I select them, I hold Shift, and I make them a little smaller. That looks great. Okay, and now I need to get half of a circle. So what I do is I use my direct selection tool, or the white arrow. I click on the top anchor, and then I hit the delete button on my keyboard. Boom. While we're at it, let's use the line segment tool. And I'm going to attach these two with a straight line. Okay, now all I have to do is deal with the details. Oh, JK, I need a star. Click and hold, grab the star tool. There's my star, make it the same weight, make it a little smaller. Great. Okay, now I'm going to change the stacking order on these and move everything around and align it, stuff like that. I'm going to do some grouping first. I'm going to grab this, hold Shift, grab my circle, grab this part, oh yeah, and this circle too. I'm going to group it with Control G. So now it's a group. Now they're homies, they're friends, they hang out. So I can put that where it needs to go, and then same thing with this. I'm going to align this up. And then go Control G to group those. So now they're friends. Oh, it didn't group them. Control G. Now it's good. This part I want in the back behind this one. So I'm going to right click, arrange, send to back. I like to use these quick keys, but you can't handle that. Not yet. Someday. Probably not. Right click, arrange, send to back. Again, the quick key is there. Arrange, send to back. I'm going to group these. Right click, group. Send to back. Okay. This one, arrange, send to back. Now I'm going to align some stuff because now that I have all my groups set up, I should be able to grab everything here and just say align. This is horizontal align center, aligns everything except my eyeballs didn't work out because they weren't grouped. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to here and get a small, no, I'm just going to use this one. Small ellipse for this inside part here. And I want to make it so that the inside is black and the outside is just clear. So I'm going to click here, change it to black in my color. I could also do that in my swatches panel. Go to the outside, change it to clear. Same thing, clear outside, black on the inside. Looking good. Alt drag this up. I used my keyboard, just the arrow keys, to nudge it into place to get it where I want it to go. I'm going to hold Shift and rotate. Shift and rotate. And this, same thing, I want the inside black and the outside nothing. That looks pretty darn close. Maybe these need to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make them bigger. Alt drag, Shift rotate, put it into place, grab my whole thing, move it over. Okay, there is my version of the robot that we were asked to reproduce.